Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and another day, another product from Aliexpress, and take a look at this module. What it says in the title, what is it? It's a Lipo battery voltage tester low voltage buzzer alarm for 2 to 8S Lipo Life lithium Mn magnesium, probably lithium battery checker. And this thing you can get from Aliexpress for $1. And it's beautiful module or gadget for lithium batteries and checking the voltage. I found it interesting and that's why I ordered it. 2 of them. And of course, I got it. Before opening the package, I need to share this because I received a lot of comments about my gadget, which is DIY cyber deck with 3D printed case, and inside there is a ESP32 and this big 3.5 inch TFT screen, and it's 5-in-1 cyber deck with 5 different functions that you can control using only one button. This is the home page with a digital clock date. This is the second function, call it cyber weather. It shows the time, the temperature, the humidity and the wind, and all that can be adjusted in the code, so can tell the temperature in your location. Here it is, the why it's not, it should be here it is, a crypto terminal with all crypto prices, the most popular, and right now the Bitcoin is doing 63,000, almost 64,000. Alright, here it is, the matrix effect rain, I like this, and game of life. All the links will be in description below, so you can check it and maybe mate, and also for free I will share the code for this project. And with the next press we are going to the home page with the clock. Alright, not today, no bubbles. As I told you, I have ordered 2 of these voltage testers, and what we have here, scan the QR code. I'm gonna figure out by my own. Oh, here it is, and what? It's wrapped in some kind of silicone material. Maybe it's for protecting, yes. Alright. Well, you are watching the product in 360. Let's see what it says in description. Yes, you can use it for lithium batteries. Oh, here it is. So what it says, automatic protects against reverse connection. The size of this product is 4 by 2.5 by 1 centimeter, weight 9 grams. Battery voltage display, voltage detection precision 0.01 volt, unit voltage display range from 0.5 volts to 4.5 volts for each cell, total voltage display range from 0.5 to 36 volts, so this means that you can test batteries maximum to 36 volts, one cell test voltage range 3.7 to 30 volts, alarm mode, low voltage alarm mode, alarm set value range of or 2.7 or 3.8 volts, so you can change the alarm for low voltage. The voltage is below the set value, tester will buzzer with red LED light, preset value 3.3 volts. Alright, we're gonna figure out. So here it is, a close-up. You can see that it have 3 7-segment LED numbers or displays. We have the pin header right here for connecting with the battery, one button on the top, and we have 2 buzzers. Why we have 2 buzzers? We're gonna see that, and from behind we have some note used for 1 to 8S lithium batteries, voltage detection, the same thing as the description. Alright, and I'm gonna try on my battery pack which I have here, right here. This one is 7.4 volts, and I don't know, can you see it, but it's marked the positive pin and the negative, and it says 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S, and so on. And let's go, the negative pin should go to the negative. Oh, it's like this. Oh, take a look. All 7.6 volts. Number 1, 3.8. Number 2, 3.8. All, and it's auto cycling. Beautiful. But with the button, with pressing one button, it says off, all, off. Oh, what is it? Oh, with pressing the button you can change the low voltage alarm, and yes, the max from 2.7 to 3 point, how much, 3.8, and off. You can turn it on and turn it off, the alarm, with holding the button. What happens? Holding the button, nothing happens. But why we have two buzzers? Okay, instead of using my power supply, I decide to use my homemade power bank with a voltmeter, with cigarette lighter, with a LED, 5 volts here, banana plugs, and this is 12 volt battery pack, and I'm gonna plug in here on my connector for charging. Is it this way? Come on. Oh, did you hear that? Number 1, 3.7, number 2, 3.8, number 3, 3.8, all of them 11.5. I'm gonna turn it on. 11.4 it says on the voltmeter, and I'm gonna turn on the light. Right, and now I'm gonna set the low voltage alarm at, let's say, 3.7. Okay, and take a look now, because the cell number 1 is under voltage for 3.7, it's beeping. Beautiful, working great. Now I'm gonna turn the light. Maybe the voltage will drop off my power bank. Number 1 still is under voltage, 3.5 volts. So the rest are 3.8 and 3.8. And also we have the red LED flashing. But why it have two buzzers? Here I have one more gadget that I made couple of years ago, maybe 6 years ago. It's also a power bank, but with the wooden frame, and it shows the voltage with the voltmeter, of course. And here I have the balance connector, and I'm gonna hook it up in the wrong way, and take a look, nothing happens, which is great. This way also nothing happens. Let's do this way, nothing, and this way, and this is the right way. All batteries of the battery pack, which this one is 12 volts, 4 volts, number 3, 4 volts, all of them 12.1. Alright, beautiful. I like this tiny voltmeter for checking lithium batteries from 1 to 8S with low voltage alarm. Beautiful. The link will be in the description below so you can check it. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!